YouTube. Check me out, man. I got a gem for y'all today. Look. So, now I'm saying I got a question for you. You know what I'm saying? You right there. Do you feel like you were productive? Damn, I already messed up. YouTube. Check me out, man. Got a banger. It's a slight banger, you feel me? Not gonna drop too much. But it's a banger. I feel like it's gonna help a lot of y'all out. I just wanna start off with, you know what I'm saying, with one question that I got for you. You know what I'm saying? Do you feel like you're as productive as you possibly can be? Like 100%, like be honest with yourself. Do you think you're as productive as you can be or that you wanna be, you know? And if the answer is no, because it probably is, you know what I'm saying, I got something for you today, bro. And I'm gonna need you to pick one of these up, bro. And I'm gonna explain to y'all why. Alright, so the importance of a whiteboard, you feel me? Yeah, bro, it's just like, it's science, bro. It's science. If you write your shit down, you're so much more likely to do it. You know what I'm saying? I read a book. It was called, I'm pretty sure it was called The Atomic Power of Habit. But I remember one thing from the book that really resonated with me. It was talking about New Year's resolutions and the success rates of people who create New Year's resolutions. And it was talking about, there was a study that's done that showed that people, so let's say, I forgot the exact number of people that the study was based on, but let's say, I'm just gonna say 100 people, right? So he got 100 people and he was like, yo, you guys are gonna make New Year's resolutions and we gonna see how well y'all follow it, you know what I'm saying? But these 50 people, they wrote this stuff down, everything, you know what I'm saying? They wrote down what their goals were, what they wanted to accomplish, right? And this side, they did not do that, you know what I'm saying? They kept it, you know what I'm saying, mental. And what the study found was that the people who wrote it down, there was a 44% success rate, meaning that almost half of them were able to complete the New Year's resolutions and accomplish that, you know? And the people who didn't write it down, you know what I'm saying, these other 50 people over here, only 9 of them, goddamn, what? Only 9% of them accomplished what they wanted to, you know what I'm saying, accomplish. And that's so powerful, bro, because something it's so simple, bro, you just writing it down. Like, it's that simple, but it works, bro. Like, it works like a charm. And it seems like, you know what I'm saying, when I was first reading about it, I was just like, bro, you mean to tell me that if I write it down, like, just writing it down, that's going, like, nah, bro, that's cap, bro. Like, no cap, bro. Damn, why'd I take my hat off? Damn, hold on. I'm never doing that again. I look rusty as hell. But yeah, bro, like, it's so important, and like, if you really care about being something and doing something with your life, you will give it a try. Like, I don't care. Like, if you so close-minded, like, oh, that's not gonna work, then nothing's gonna work for you, bro. You're just gonna be a bum for the rest of your life. Yeah, but even, bro, just try it. If it don't work for you, it don't work for you. You know what I'm saying? But it's probably gonna work for you. So, like, why not try it? You feel me? And if it don't work, it don't work. But at least you try. You know what I'm saying? So pretty much with this whiteboard right here, right? Boom. I know my handwriting is beautiful. Scholar. But you know what I'm saying, every day, the second I wake up, I'm on the whiteboard. What am I gonna do today? What am I gonna accomplish today? What am I gonna learn today? How am I gonna improve today? You know what I mean? And that's, first of all, that in itself, just starting your day off like that, is so important because it's human nature. You feel me? Like, our behavior conforms to patterns. If you start your day off, like all lazy, you lay in the bed, don't even brush your teeth, you scrolling through TikTok or Instagram or whatever you do, bro, the rest of your day gonna be lazy as hell, and you just gonna feel like, like, you gonna feel like shit, bro. But when you start your day off productive, guess, look, finish my sentence. When you start your day off productive, your day's gonna end, you feel me, productively. And I'm saying wise words from your boy Noe. But anyway, yeah, bro, just write down what you want to accomplish. And I'm gonna tell y'all what I got on my board, just to give y'all like a little bit of an idea. But another thing that I really like with this whiteboard, you know what I'm saying, probably like around every week or so, I write a new quote on the top of the whiteboard. I don't know if y'all can even read this, but right up there, it says, when you complain, you stay the same. I think that's what it says, yeah. When you complain, you stay the same. Bro, but make sure, if you write a quote, make sure you actually get motivated by that shit, because there's no point in writing just some bullshit up there just to write it. You feel me? If it's not going to help you, don't write it down. Write something that really resonates with you, that really motivates you, that pushes you. You feel me? But, other than that, yeah, the rest of this is just... Oh, I also got a picture of Mike Tyson just because he's a goddamn dog. You feel... Oh, damn.
You are so dumb. You are really dumb. For real.
Just because he's a dog. That's another thing, too. Like, have posters up and, like, pictures up in your room that motivate you, bro. Like, I don't know if y'all can see, but I got my boy Rock Lee up there. My boy Leonidas, you feel me? Like, these are all people that, like, that motivate me. You feel me? Like... These are two beasts, bro, like two beasts. And they motivate me to be a beast, so I got them on my wall. Same thing with Mike Tyson, that's why he's on my whiteboard. Yeah, but I recently, actually, today I just got back from Puerto Rico.
I don't give a fuck.
So one new thing that I'm adding, that I've got on my whiteboard right now, is I want to learn Spanish, you feel me? Because I felt... I felt dumb as hell not being able to talk to my own family, like, cause they all speak Spanish. I'm just like, what you talking about? Like, we ain't doing that. Next time I'm out there, fluent, no, you feel me? But that's one thing I got on my whiteboard. Now, the next two things that I got on my whiteboard, I do these every day, and I'm gonna make 2 separate videos on these. The first one is meditation. Well, actually, before I get into it, these 2 things, meditation and the other one is reading, I'm just going to say it, but these 2 are keystone habits, which is why they're so important. That means that if you have the discipline and you can develop these habits, other productive and healthy habits are going to follow along. That's just how that works. Yeah, but the first one is meditating. I got up there. That's so important, bro. Like, if you're not meditating, like, get out of here to stop watching my channel. Like, you a bum. Just kidding.
Boy, if you don't...
Nah, but like, meditation is so important. I got that on my board every single day. You feel me? Another thing I got on here, you feel me? Like I told you, I was in Puerto Rico for the last 2 weeks. So I got a lot of school stuff to catch up on. I got that up here, you know what I'm saying? They say law project. But that's not the only thing I did. When I hear law project, I know I got to do the rest of my schoolwork. So that's why I got that up there. The other thing I got up on here for today is to find an editing app. You feel me? And I was actually in the process of doing that right now. But I was like, yo, how am I going to practice editing? And I ain't even got a video to edit. So that's why I'm recording this. You feel me? Hopefully, hopefully the edits on this come out raw. You know, they probably won't. But hopefully they do. And these 2 other things on here, you know what I'm saying, they really only apply to me. These aren't things that you could really do. But FAFSA is just some financial aid stuff I got to do to graduate. And then the other one is brainstorm more YouTube video ideas and how I could like improve my content and stuff like that. And by the way, everything on this list is already completed except my meditation, because I'm about to do that after I finish this video and edit this. I'm not funny at all, bro. Why did I laugh? Yeah, bro, but these things on here might seem big, like the reading and the meditating, like these are hard habits to develop, but not everything on your board has to be this huge life-changing goal, you feel me? Like, it could be small stuff, like I remember when I first started like doing my whiteboard and stuff like that. And now I ain't no look, you feel me? I ain't like, you feel me? I ain't no dirty ass dude, but you feel me? There'll be some times where I'll be too lazy. I'll be like, damn, bro, I'm tired as hell. I do not feel like brushing my teeth before I go to sleep, you feel me? And I'll skip it and I'll do it in the morning, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? And it could be little things like that. Like, the whiteboard really helped me with that. Now, it's not even, like, an option. Like, I'm going to that bathroom, I'm brushing my stuff, you feel me? Yeah, so little things like that. Like, it could be hygiene, you feel me? Like my little example with being consistent with brushing. I've always been consistent with brushing, but like with flossing and like that other stuff. You know what I'm saying? It could be working out. It could be, you know. Oh my God, how'd I miss that? That's not on my whiteboard today. It's because it's my rest day, but I usually got, you know what I'm saying, working out up on there. As you can tell, I'm swole as hell.
Stop the cap.
Just kidding. But yeah, bro. It's just like, the reason why I like the whiteboard so much is, one, it's a great opportunity to start your day off productive, which is so important, bro. If you learn anything in this video, if you don't learn nothing about the whiteboard, at least remember that you should start your day off productive, bro. I guarantee you, once you start doing that, you're gonna be like, damn, this man know he was right, bro. Like he put me on. Like, bro, start your day off productive, bro. It's so important, so important. And when I say productive, it don't even be like you gotta roll out of bed and run a marathon, bro. Like, it could be I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna wake up and immediately go brush my teeth, and then I'm gonna start my grind. Or I'm gonna wake up and I'm gonna do my bed and do that. I'm gonna wake up, I'm gonna pick up my room real quick, like something little, just to start that productivity off, and then it's just gonna skyrocket from there. You feel me? Yeah. But another reason why I like this is because it gives you that visual. Like, you could like I know there's been a time when you be like, damn, tomorrow I'm gonna do that, and then tomorrow comes, you completely forget what the hell you said yesterday. Like, it happens so often, like, you probably don't even like catch on to that stuff when it happened to you. But like, it's like, when you have that visual, it makes you stick to it so much more. Especially for me, I don't know if it's just me, but like, if I wrote on my board like, damn, I'm gonna learn how to do a backflip today, right? And then I'm about to go to sleep, and I look at my board and I'm like, damn, I didn't even like do a backflip today. I'm gonna feel like the biggest pussy, bro. Like, just straight like that. Like you feel like shit. So damn, not like you feel like shit. Plus, that kind of like downplaying the purpose of this. But like, it gives you that visual, so you could like, it makes you stick to it so much more, because it's always on your mind. Every time you walk in your room, you see that, you be like, damn, I gotta do this. Like, okay, I'm gonna go do it. And another thing, it helps you develop your discipline, bro, and that's so important, because, you know what I'm saying, there's days where I wake up and I don't want to do nothing, bro. I don't want to do nothing. Like, I just want to lay on my bed, watch goddamn Hulu all day, and eat Takis, you feel me? But like, is you gonna get to where you want to be in life if you do that? No. So you gotta develop your discipline, bro. And discipline is doing what you don't want to do. Shout out Mike Tyson, man. He said this, man. I don't know why I pointed over there, but he said discipline is doing what you hate to do, but doing it like you love to do it. You feel me? Like, not all the time do I feel like working out, but you know what? If I have to work out, I'm going to work out because I got goals. Not all the time do I want to read, but you know what? If I got to read, I'm going to read because I got goals. Not all the time do I want to meditate, but I'm gonna meditate because I got goals. You feel me? Like, that's how that works. And I wasn't born like that. Ain't nobody born with. Some people might have a little bit natural, like, more discipline than others, but like it's a skill you gotta develop. The same way you over here, like, you feel me, for your biceps, you doing curls and stuff to grow. You feel me? You gotta develop your discipline muscle too. Like, and how you do that is just by doing it. And it sounds so like simple, but it's really all that is. Like, you feel me? Like, it's just winning those small little battles. Like, damn, like, it could even small, like, going back to the brushing my teeth example, like, damn, I'm tired as hell, I don't want to go brush my teeth. But every time you fight that inner demon and you're like, man, I'm brushing my teeth, I don't care what you say. You feel me? Every time you do that, your discipline, you feel me, your discipline gets stronger and stronger and stronger. Every little battle, bro, your discipline builds. That's pretty much it for this video. You feel me? I just wanted, it's gonna be probably a short one. I just really wanted to get some content out. And I want to start off with like the simple stuff like this, like the whiteboard and stuff like that, before I kind of get into the meditation and the reading and the things that are harder to develop. Because if you can't make this a habit, you're not gonna be able to make meditating and reading a habit, bro. You just not. Like, that's not how that works. You gotta crawl before you walk, you know? So, yeah. That's it for this video, man. Try it out, bro. Try it out. Like, honestly, if you're not willing to try it out, you really don't care about being successful. That's just how I feel. And like, it sounds so small and like, oh, just writing stuff down. Yeah, okay, yeah. Bro, it works, bro. It's a literal life hack, bro. Like, if you want to be, I can't even like explain it, bro. But like, tomorrow, if I wake up and I just disregard my whiteboard, I'm just like, nah, like, I don't feel like doing that today. You know what's probably gonna happen? I'm probably not gonna do shit all day. I'll probably lay in my bed, maybe work out, and that's about it. Like, bro, like, come on, just try it for yourself. I can almost guarantee you it's gonna make you a lot more productive. And if it don't, it don't. You feel me? I tried. Yeah, but that's it, man. You right there, man. Shout out to you for watching, especially if you made it through the whole video. I appreciate you, bro. You feel me? I appreciate you. Yeah, bro. Peace out.
Stop the cap.